meet SOAPBOTTLE. With SOAPBOTTLE, we have rethought the purpose of packaging. We took a fresh approach with a designer's eye and made the packaging a real part of the product. Once you've used up the liquid content, the bottle then serves as hand soap, and in time, just like any other bar of soap, it completely dissolves. You open the bottle by cutting off the marked corner. The metal clip also serves as the cap. You can then place the soap bottle on a sponge or hang it with a ribbon in your shower. The ribbon will also make it easier to handle the bottle with wet hands. At SOAPBOTTLE, we want to develop natural zero-waste care products. We have a strong belief that we are bringing something entirely new to the personal care market that's both eco-friendly and aesthetic. But we need you. Let's join forces to reduce waste and make SOAPBOTTLE happen. Because only with your support can we flip the packaging game. With your support, we can bring SOAPBOTTLE to life.